open your terminal, full of hope, ready to code. But wait, what code editor are you going to use? And just like that, you've entered the most toxic civil war since tabs versus spaces. There's Vim. No mouse, no mercy. Just a cryptic dungeon of key bindings and existential dread. You don't use Vim, you survive it. To exit, you press escape : Q bang pray, or just pull the plug and walk into the sea. Then there's Emacs, aka everything makes a computer system. It's not an editor, it's a lifestyle. Text editing? Sure, but also emails, RSS feeds, a calendar, and if you install 3 more packages, it'll water your plants and fix your taxes. Next up, VS Code, the people's editor. You install 1 extension, then 12 more. Suddenly your editor has a sidebar, a mini-map, Copilot, Tailwind autocomplete, Spotify controls, and a pet cat plugin named Marv. But sure, you just needed to fix a semicolon. Sublime text is still out here too. Fast, clean, mysterious. You'll open it, make a tiny change, and immediately be reminded, unregistered. Please buy a license. We've all clicked later for 10 years straight. Feeling spicy? Try NeoVim. It's Vim but harder. You spend 40 hours configuring it just to open a file. Then brag about your 12 millisecond startup time on Reddit. No one cares, but your rice setup does look amazing. There's also Nano, for when you accidentally open a text file on a Linux server and enter survival mode. How do you exit? Nobody knows. Every DevOps engineer has died in Nano at least once. Now in 2025, you don't even need a real editor. You can code in the browser, vscode.dev, StackBlitz, GitHub code spaces, write code from anywhere, on a train, in bed, inside a Docker container, from inside another Docker container. But let's be honest, it's not about which editor you use, it's about how many hours you'll procrastinate customizing it before you write 1 line of code. So yeah, use what you want. Just remember to save. Ctrl+S, baby. Still the most powerful key in programming.